hati-hati. Satria.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's all straight, gotta flip it and grip it.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malamnya guys. Berjumpa lagi bersama channelnya ZVM Motovlog. Welcome back to my channel ya guys. Hari ini kita berada di apa nih guys? Di Tunggul Hitam, tempat kuburan yang banyak itu ya guys. Rencananya mau keliling nyari konten nih guys, mulai dari Tunggul Hitam, Pak Presiden, dan kita ke Katip ya guys, ke Katip Sleman aja guys. Oh ya guys, gimana kabar kalian semuanya guys? Semoga berada dalam keadaan sehat walafiat ya guys. Oh, rame di sini nih guys, rame. Kita melihat situasi di Katip Sleman ya guys. Kita pantau ke sana guys. Oke, gimana kesuaranya? Jangan lupa ikuti terus channelnya ZVM Motovlog dengan cara subscribe, like, dan komennya ya guys. Karena subscribe dari teman-teman tersebut sangat membantu buat perkembangan dari channel ini ya guys. Oke, kita lanjutkan perjalanannya ya guys. Jalanannya cukup ramai, harus hati-hati. Satria. Satria baja hitam. Rame ya guys. Irkanza. Oke, come on guys. Oh. Rupanya terjadi kemacetan. Barbar. Udah lama nih Scoopy ini nggak barbar nih guys. Dan ternyata kita sampai di depan Basco Grand Mall guys. Gimana si PM nih? Kita muter-muter aja ya guys, sambil nyari-nyari konten. Wow, lubang. Hampir. Ini nih kalau saya udah gabut. Kita berputar di Khatib Sulaiman bentar ya guys. Rame nih jalannya. Oh, lampu merah guys, lampu merah.
Don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay.
Mana nih lampu merahnya? Nggak kelihatan. Mati lampunya. Masa lampu merahnya belakang, kita di depan ya guys.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one. Yeah, that's all great. But I also wanna make sure I'm okay. Living life is doing that to okay. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us.
Kita mencari tempat duduk ya guys. Kita cari tempat duduknya dulu guys. Buat santai-santai aja.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day.
Kalau di sini rame nih guys. Kalau ya nongkrong ya guys, yang nongkrong, yang mojok. Nah itu guys, kan lumayan lumayan rame. Tapi kita sendirian nih guys. Kita sendirian ngapain kita nongkrong kan? Ini kita jalan. Udah mulai balapannya guys. Kita kejar. Oh, di sini apa nih motor? Kenapa boy? Kok menahan kamu? Agak merepet nih motor. Ada apa denganmu motor? Lalu tadi enak larinya loh. Sekarang udah berat lagi nih. Kita muter aja ya guys.
Just get by and everything. See you in the next life. Have to be a better me.
harus di apa, di servis nih motornya. Udah apa jauh dari apanya, tenaganya udah menahan dia tuh guys. Biasanya di sini rame nih guys, tapi kok sekarang tuh sepi ya.
Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy.
Dilarang stop katanya tuh.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut.
Udah mau jok betar guys. Mau jok ke mana nih ya? Kita sendirian nih guys. Malas sangat nih mojoknya. Sudahlah. Oke guys, kita cukup sampai di sini dulu ya guys. Nanti kita sambung lagi. See you next video. Bye bye.
All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.